I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with a live photo that has a clear subject and visible motion. This matters because sticker motion comes from frames. Once you open Photos, tap the live badge to confirm it plays, then swipe up to reveal effects like loop or bounce, choose one to preserve motion. Make sure the subject is isolated visually. If not, pick a frame where the background is simple. Next, tap Done and prepare to extract the subject for a sticker. You lift the subject by pressing and holding on the live photo preview until the subject detaches. This uses background separation to make a sticker. Once lifted, drag directly into Messages to drop a live sticker that preserves the chosen effect. If you need tighter trimming or to reduce frames, use Markup or a third-party app to crop and export a shorter live photo first. That gives you cleaner motion. Make sure the effect you chose remains active before exporting. You finish by sending the live sticker in Messages and verifying the animation plays. If the motion looks choppy, go back, shorten the live photo length or switch to loop for smoother repetition. Also reduce exported resolution if performance is an issue. If the subject extraction fails or the background remains, pick a frame with higher contrast or use a simple background and try lifting again. Finally, make sure both sender and recipient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.